So for that, we all know we have to type canva.com and the screen will appear. And here we have to type create a design. And you have to type YouTube thumbnail. So when you type, create design, and so it will give you a blank screen. And this size fits exactly to your video thumbnail. That's why you have to type that YouTube thumbnail. You cannot fit any image on thumbnail. So you have to select this option in Canva. And then there are certain templates are been given. If you want to select any of the style from here, that you can take and change color. For example, this style I have taken and I have changed the colors and everything. And I have put my own, colors and everything. Suppose this I have selected as some other color.
Abba,
Right
1
now,
minute,
this is
please.
not my style, so I'll be changing it.
Abba,
G.
Abba, let me disturb you. Vijay Kumar is waiting outside.
Okay,
Please
okay, okay. I'll just come. Thank you, Kamal ji. So this is how you can select any one template and your work becomes less. So at initial level, I used to do this, but then when I learned how to create thumbnails, then I have started using one particular color. So I'll be deleting it. Okay, so this is your blank screen when you get it. So now if I have to create on a thumbnail of my own, so I'll be going in background. I'll be choosing my favorite color. Like I'm always taking green shade. So any of the green shade, I'll be choosing it. So this is not my color. So I'll go in color, select green. And then I'll come this side and select my option, which green I want. But actually this dots is also not my design. So I have to go back to background. I have to look for plain color. You can simply type here greens. And all the green, images, background images will come. For example, I'm taking this blank color, plain color, solid color. Now this I can change very easily. Okay, go into this here. So this green is my green. So now color is fine. Now I have to add my image. So I have to go in uploads. Now that cutout of image, you can use PicLab application on phone, which gives you a cutout image. So right now I'm not putting any cutout image. I'll share that app link on our group. So here in uploads, all the images will come that you want to share. So cutout image, I'm talking of this kind of cutout image. So I have created one default cutout image like this, so that I have every now and then I have not to change it. So that image will remain same. Aja bhai. Color will also remain same. I have adjusted it to. Now, see, as that I have not taken the paid version of that app, its name is coming over here. Watermark is coming. So I have to hide it. So first I'll put my title. For that, I'll be using one black bar. So I will be coming in elements. I'll be choosing shapes. Now with green, this color won't go. So I'll be changing its color. And then I have to add text. So Canva gives you lot many, styles of text you want to put, but I will just simply choose add a heading and I will drag it. Now, as this is black, it won't go with black. So I have to first change its color. I'll be changing it to white. And then I'll be dragging it onto this black bar. And suppose this program title is your child showing? Now I want this again in the next line. So I'll be simply Control C, Control V. So I have to select this bar first. So I have copy pasted. So every now and then you're not supposed to go in this shape elements you have to select. You can simply copy paste. So is your child showing tantrums while drinking milk? I just created one hypothetical title. Again, black will not go with black, so I have to change the color of text. This is white now, and I'll be putting it on this black bar. Okay, so title has come. Now here you can put any image of a child drinking milk or showing tantrums in drinking milk, while drinking milk. So I don't have any such image. I'll just put this image, for example. This is not image that goes with title, but I am just for showing how you can put to hide that watermark. Okay, so this is how you can just create something of your own. I have just given an example. You can add many things through elements. You can add stickers. So there are different stickers are given. So all the images you can use, many things are given. So whichever things fits to your thumbnail, you can select and design if you want to put some flowers, you can simply some effect.
Abba, you can do animation also through.
Yes, that is what I'm showing. So some stickers, they are animated. See. So if it is a kind of like some growth or कुछ आपको progress का कुछ दिखाना है, so you can add to your let's grow your YouTube channel for YouTube monetization. So I can show such kind of. But actually YouTube thumbnail takes only images. वहाँ पे video thumbnail नहीं आता है. So even if I am adding these special effects, I have to finally save this as image. So in image, this rocket will be showing still. What my point? So there you won't be able to see a moving rocket over there because thumbnail accepts only images and not videos. So you cannot put animated thumbnails. So YouTube is not giving that permission of animated thumbnails right now. And then you have to, if you are done with your image, click on download. Now, as you have to need you need thumbnail as an image. So straight away select PNG standard, PNG, and then you have to download. Okay. Now, if any of your image or text or font is of paid version and not allowed in your free version, this will not download straight away. It will show, okay, this thing is not allowed. This thing is not allowed. So if you want to use this item, you have to pay. So better you again delete that thing and use some other thing. For example, I'll just use one paid thing over here. I'll show you how it goes. Stickers, you have most of stickers, they are free. But if you go down in some shapes or charts, they all are payable. Suppose I want to add logo of YouTube. Now you can see some of them, they have this crown that shows that it is a paid version. So if I use this and I try to download, then what will happen? It will first ask you that this is a paid thing. So are you ready to pay for it? So if you want to paid version, you can convert your Canva version into paid version and then you can use. But I think in free version also, there are a lot many things to explore. So I don't suggest कि unnecessarily you have to go for paid version. But my point. So free में भी काफी सारा कुछ आपको मिल जाता है, तो आपको जरूरत ही नहीं है कि आप paid version में आप जाएं. Sheila ji, hope you are able to understand. Today she is traveling, I think so. So is that clear now how to create this thumbnail?
Yes.
Okay.
How do we upload it onto the channel?
So you have to download that thumbnail to your computer or laptop, and then when we go to this section, I'll just share again. My channel, where is my channel? Okay. So this is my channel. Now I want to upload new thumbnail. So I'll go to content. I'll go to details. Now my video is open. And then now here, upload thumbnail. So if I put upload thumbnail, it will take me to my photo gallery and I can select and it will come down over here. ठीक है, मैंने select किया, आ गया, and then I have to save. Clear? So anything simple also, you just create it. Try to create. So 1-2 times, if you will see how it looks on your channel, you keep deleting 2-3 things. I have created 10 to 15 channel ads just to give my channel a best look what I wanted. Many a times everything is fine. That center part, that rectangle part won't get fit properly. कभी वो image थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे होगा, फिर आपको वापस जाना पड़ेगा. So you have to download that thing many a times if you are at the initial level. So once you start trying, then you will learn and you will be able to change your thumbnail after this channel art after 6 months also. So in initial level, I have some different thumbnail, and later on, once my channel crossed 100 videos, then I changed my thumbnail, channel art. And then I put all the awards also on that best new YouTuber and influential women award and all that. So create impressive thumbnails for your videos now. For example, Anil Malik ji is like a famous for TED Talks shaping the future. So in that way, he can create some impressive thumbnail and just एक आप उसका blank screen बना के रख दीजिए, उसका by default color and आपका cutout. And every time you have to just simple change the title. I'll just show you what I do. I have just started putting YouTube tips on LinkedIn. So I have created one image. And every time I have not to do all the hard work. I have to simply just go to that image. एक minute, directly select हो गया. So if I go in all your designs, means whichever designs I have drawn till now, all these designs of Canva will appear over here. Okay. So now this you see.
Abba, is there any limit to upload these images?
I don't think so.
Acha, any 100, 50, 10,
I have
something?
not, till now I have not got any restriction. And there are lot many images I have already uploaded over here.
Right.
So one standard design I have now made, and every time I have to just give one tip, I'll simply change this text. Rest all remains same. Understood? So every time you are not supposed to create every new thing. I will just change the color of this hand. I'll change. बस इतना ही मुझे सिर्फ ये हाथ का कलर चेंज करना है, बाकी सारा सेम रहता है. So again it will show your branding. एक आपका अलग से एक बन जाता है इमेज की, अच्छा ये मीन्स आभा का है. And so finally, by 12th February, I request everyone that by 12th February, latest by 13th February morning, by 10 a.m., you please, all of you, share how many videos you have posted and what kind of thumbnails you have made. I'll be seeing everyone's channel. I'll be analyzing that what you all have learned till now, have you applied it or not? So I'll be seeing everyone's channel. And of course, then I have to give the Super Performer Award also.